stimulating it, this line, this straight line you see in each of these channels, that represents the moment we give it a stimulation pulse, and everything you see after is the neuron's response to it. So you can see that some channels are responding more than other channels by having like higher spikes, and so this would be kind of how it looks like when we stimulate it. So in addition to electrical stimulation, which is what I just told you about, we also have a machine that we can use to do optical stimulation, which is basically stimulating it with light. And this so this is where we would, inside over there in a circle, that's where we would place the LED light, right on top of, so it's right above the MEA, which would go on the bottom, in the center of that blue box you see over there. And so we can send it, basically we shine a strong LED onto like the center or wherever, we can actually place it wherever we want on the array. And we do this kind of like similar we do electrical stimulation by giving it a certain frequency of light stimulation and recording the activity and seeing how they respond. And the only difference that we don't send it to the MEA, we send it through a light simulation. So this, and potential like applications of, this field is it's called optogenetics, and the potential applications of this is it could be used to treat neurological diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's by optically stimulating brain cells. And I'm going to show you a video that was taken around like a few weeks ago. Alex, is a grad student in our lab who's working on optogenetics. And this is after he did an optical stimulation, he took a post-stim recording, some spontaneous activity, and we noticed something pretty interesting as one of the channels was showing a lot of activity. And so, that would be the spike tree. So you can see the lines on there, right? There's frequent spiking, so that shows it. So it kind of started spiking in a really high frequency, and it was pretty cool because usually because before we did optical stimulation, this channel was not as active as